Until now, anyone buying new tyres for their car would have had no idea how safe, how economical, or how environmentally noise-friendly the tyres they're buying were just by looking at them. The new legislation aims to change that by clearly labelling all new tyres with a system similar to the consumer labelling found on new household appliances, such as fridges and washing machines.
The new EU tyre label is very similar to energy efficiency labels that we already have on white goods like fridges and washing machines. Two of the criteria on an A to G grading, A being the best, G being the worst. The third criteria, passing noise, is measured slightly differently. Around 20% of a vehicle's fuel consumption is directly linked to its tyres. Therefore, one of the criteria, fuel efficiency, is very important. Also, safety is very important, which is where the EU tyre label goes further than white good labels in the wet grip braking performance.
The new law will apply to all car, van and truck tyres. The aim is to make driving more cost-effective, quieter and safer for the UK's road users. Authorities also hope that the new system will encourage drivers to buy new and safe tyres rather than part-worn tyres, which are commonly sold by backstreet garages and bucket stores.
Part-worn tyres, the biggest problem we find with part-worn tyres is safety. You don't know where this part-worn tyre came from. On the outside, it may look like an okay tyre to the untrained eye, but if that vehicle's been involved in an accident, then it could be some unforeseen damage on the inside construction of the actual tyre itself. But also, if you look at the economical way, this tyre does not come with the average 7 or 8 millimetres of tread that a new tyre will come with. So that's where false economy is a big issue as well.
However, tyre fitting companies are warning that although labelling is good news for drivers, the system is not exhaustive.
On the label itself, it will test 3 criteria: rolling resistance, wet grip and passing noise. Now the EU have picked these criteria, and albeit they are 3 important bits of criteria, they are by no means the exhaustive list of what the average driver needs out of their tyre. Independent testing magazines, they test 15 different criteria. Manufacturers test in excess of 50 criteria, and that goes a long way on to telling the full picture of what the average driver really wants out of their tyres. It's definitely a step in the right direction in educating drivers about safety and environmental factors for their tyres.